A new name has entered the spotlight of Indian origin leaders who have long held the reins of the world's biggest tech giants. From Sundar Pichai to Satya Nadella, this new name has outshined everyone with his pay package. He is Tesla's Chief Financial Officer, Vaibhav Taneja. The Indian origin executive reportedly earned $139 million in 2024, significantly higher than the pay of top executives like Satya Nadella of Microsoft and Sundar Pichai of Google. So who is Vaibhav Taneja? What is his story? How has he created history? Let's see in this episode of India on the Rise. Taneja, who is 47 years old, studied at Delhi University and became a chartered accountant in 2000. He later became a certified public accountant in the US in 2006. He also worked with global firm PwC for 17 years with roles in both India and the US. Later, he joined Tesla in 2016 from SolarCity, a solar energy company that Musk acquired. He first joined Tesla as Assistant Corporate Controller and later became the company's Chief Accounting Officer. Ultimately, he was made Chief Financial Officer after Zach stepped down from the role. However, Taneja is not the first Indian origin CFO at Tesla. Before him, Deepak Ahuja has served as the CFO from 2017 to 2019. Well, it's not a hidden fact anymore that Vaibhav Taneja, who also serves as the director of Tesla India Motors and Energy Private Limited, has earned more in 2024 than some of the most well-known Indian origin executives in global tech firms. According to reports, Taneja received a total pay package of $139 million, more than Alphabet CEO Sundar Pichai and Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella. While Sundar Pichai took home $10.73 million and Satya Nadella received $79.1 million in 2024, Taneja's total earnings far exceeded both. Taneja's pay mostly comes from stock options and equity awards. His base salary was $400,000, about 3.33 crore rupees. The remaining amount is linked to Tesla stock and performance-related benefits. Taneja's total earnings reflect the value of his stock awards, not just his cash income. Taneja's earnings has inflicted a wider conversation of Indian origin executives at the top position. So what is your opinion on this? Do share your thoughts with us in the comment section below.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.